You won the lottery and died the next day. It's a black fly in your Chardonnay. It's a death row